Tell something about yourself.
My name is Magdalena P. Santos. I live in Pantoc, Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija. I'm high school graduate. I was born on October 20, 1980. I have two daughters. My mother housekeeper and take care of my children. And my father is.
What is your main reason for applying abroad?
I'm going to Hong Kong for the future of my daughter and my family.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about young children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you sing Lullaby to put baby or children to sleep?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Are you willing to take care of elderly or bedridden people?
Yes, ma'am.
How about animals? Are you willing to take care of pets and domestic animals?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any experience in cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what particular dishes can you prepare?
Chicken curry, adobo, lasagna, pizza, hamburger, and anything, any kind of food of Lebanese and Filipino.
Okay, most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese.
Yes.
Are you willing to learn and speak the language?
Yes, ma'am, I can learn.
Okay, what particular home and electrical appliances can you operate?
Microwave, oven toaster, rice cooker, electric pan, aircon, vacuum, and others.
Okay, this interview will be viewed by your potential employer. Why do you think she or he should hire you?
I'm a hardworking person and loyalty and good person.